This is a beautiful 1990 Dodge Ram Charger. The owner tells me it's been in the same family for many years. Beautiful paint job, and chrome is excellent. In a while we'll get a look under the hood, see what's there. I think it's a 318, but it's in gorgeous detailing here. Original wheels. I like the two-tone gray paint job on this. We're going to get a look at the upholstery in the interior, and it's really just like it came from the factory. It's amazing. Have a console in the middle. Original fabric. And in a bit we'll see what it's like in the back of the vehicle. You'll lift the tailgate to check that out. And another view of the interior. Really nice cloth upholstery. And of course air conditioning and automatic. And the Dodge Ram and the hood ornament. And now we're going to check what's under the hood. And you see what I meant about being beautifully preserved here. He's pulling out the metal surround here for the grill. It eventually went to plastic, but this is metal. And there's the view in the back. You see the spare.